Good morning, this is Frank Lambert, your roving Villa Ballada reporter. I'm standing on the penthouse level of Zerata 2 across the street, and as you can see, there are about 40 workmen working on pouring the second floor concrete at Villa Ballada. It's an amazing process, and within a couple of hours, half of the second floor will have been poured concrete. The other half will continue next week. They started working at 4 o'clock this morning. As you can see, the pump is moving around and going in place to pour the next section. It's an amazing feat, but it's happening right now as we speak. So very exciting times for Villa Ballada. We're on our way, and by the end of next week they'll be starting to build walls on the second floor, getting ready to go up to the third floor. So hold tight, it's getting more exciting every day, and we'll talk to you again soon.